let me be clear. The markets are fine. Great opportunity to be long-term investors. Yes, there's going to be a lot of volatility until we have greater certainty as to what is the new equilibrium. And we're learning that the equilibrium is probably sooner than we thought maybe 2-3 weeks ago.
Can you define equilibrium?
Well, I think equilibrium is we know world order. We understand what the U.S. is trying to do in terms of trying to reorder how trade is being done. And I think once we have that certainty, the markets need certainty, I think you're going to have some of the, well, in Europe there's $12 trillion of money sitting in bank accounts in Europe. In the United States there's $11 trillion sitting in money market funds. When there is that uncertainty, you're going to keep more and more money in cash, and that's what we've witnessed. In addition, because of the uncertainty and maybe an over-optimism about the United States, we've seen modest reallocation out of the United States into other economies, especially Europe. But we still see global investors overweighting the U.S. And overall, most investors are still underweighted Europe, but less underweighted today. I think one of the key characteristics is going to see, are we going to start seeing more and more money coming into this region over time, money going back into Asia, India, Japan. But I think we are going to be in a period of uncertainty, and we're going to have to start focusing on the role of deficits, which are not part of any conversation. And let's be clear, the U.S. deficits are an issue. The U.S., and as I wrote in an editorial on Election Day in the Wall Street Journal, the U.S. economy needs a 3% growth rate to overcome its deficits. And I do believe what President Trump is trying to do, I believe consistent with what the kingdom is trying to do, they're trying to create more public-private investing. And I think that'll be the characteristic that we're all going to be watching. So yes, we're going to have volatility in the next 90 days, but the big thing that I'll be watching, are we going to be able to see in every economy the opportunity for more active private investments? What I'm afraid of, we've relied too much here in the kingdom and in the United States, too much public investments. The vitality of any economy is based on private investing in the long run. And that's what we all should be watching.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.